Hey guys, so I want to talk to you about how to become an affiliate marketer in 2020. So I'm going to give you 5 basic steps. Step 1, create a brand and choose your niche. So you can create a YouTube channel, and most of us has a Facebook profile. And lots of us also has an Instagram. So you can use those 3. And then step 2, you can then start to add your content on your brand. So after you've chosen your niche, you then start to add things on Instagram, add YouTube videos, add on your profile on Facebook. After you would have done that, then there would be step 3. You need to now join an affiliate program. So I will give you 3. You can be an affiliate for Amazon. Then you have ClickBank. And then you have Digistore 24. So you can look those up to become an affiliate marketer for one of those. After you would have done that, then you now need to do your research on the product that you want to promote. Say it is a diet tea. I would suggest you purchase that tea. Drink that tea, because then you will know more about it, what it tastes like, what it does, and you can be able to promote it better. So I would say purchase it and then promote it. And who are you going to be promoting it to? Will it be to females only? Will it be to men only, or both? What age group will you be promoting to? 20-year-olds, 30-year-olds, 40-year-olds, 40 to 65? And so that is how you choose your audience. After you choose your audience, we will now be at step 5. Step 5 is where you're now going to really promote the product, because now you would have created your brand, you would have produced content on that brand, you'd have chosen your affiliate program, you would have chosen your audiences. Now it's time to really go full force, because you now know what it is you're going to promote to them. And you can do videos about it. You can post pictures about it and how it makes people feel. And you can really promote to that audience. And if it's a good product and interesting, people will buy. When persons buy, you gain your commission. And that's it. How to become an affiliate marketer in 2020. So I'm an affiliate marketer on Digistore 24, and I am promoting the #1 product in the world, doing very well. I will leave my links below and above, and you can check it out. And also will leave all of my social media platform. You can reach out to me and message me, and I can give you lots of information about that product. Guys, I hope this was helpful to you, and take care.